Alright food lovers, get ready. Today I'm showing you how to whip up a plate of sizzling seafood mee goreng, Chinese style. This isn't just any noodle dish, it's a celebration of flavors, textures, and that irresistible aroma you get from a hot wok. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, this recipe is sure to impress and transport you straight to the bustling streets of your favorite Chinatown. If you've ever had that crave-worthy smoky noodle dish at your favorite Chinese eatery, this is your chance to make it at home. No plane ticket required. Imagine recreating that restaurant magic right in your own kitchen, with all the bold flavors and mouth-watering aromas you love. First things first. What makes mee goreng so special? It's not just the noodles or the sauce, but the way everything comes together in perfect harmony, creating a dish that's both comforting and exciting. It's all about those springy egg noodles, tossed in a punchy sauce, and loaded with juicy seafood. Prawns, squid, maybe a handful of scallops if you're feeling extra fancy. The combination of fresh seafood and chewy noodles is what sets this dish apart from your average stir-fry. That magic combo of sweet, salty, and just a hint of smokiness makes every bite a celebration. Each mouthful is packed with umami, a little sweetness from the kecap manis, and a savory depth from the soy and oyster sauces. Let's start cooking. I toss my noodles into boiling water just until they're tender. Don't overcook them, or you'll lose that signature chew. The key is to keep them bouncy, so they soak up all the sauce later without turning mushy. Meanwhile, I fire up a wok, high heat is key, and splash in a little oil. In goes the garlic, sizzling away until fragrant. That first hit of garlic and hot oil is what sets the stage for the whole dish, filling your kitchen with an incredible aroma. Now it's seafood time. Prawns first, then squid rings, and if you have scallops, toss them in too. The seafood cooks quickly, so keep an eye on it to make sure it stays tender and juicy. I love watching them curl up and turn pink in seconds. It's like a little kitchen magic show, and you know you're building layers of flavor with every stir. Here's where the flavors really come alive. I add soy sauce, which brings that deep, savory note that's essential for any good stir-fry. A dash of oyster sauce adds richness and a touch of the sea, perfectly complementing the seafood. And a spoonful of sweet soy, kecap manis, gives the dish its signature glossy finish and a subtle caramel sweetness that ties everything together. Just trust me, this is where that glossy, caramelized magic happens. The sauce bubbles and thickens, clinging to every strand of noodle and every piece of seafood. Back and go the noodles, and I flip everything together so the sauce coats every strand. Don't be shy. Toss with confidence to get that even, beautiful coating. A handful of bean sprouts, some chives, and you've got freshness and crunch to balance out all those rich flavors. And if you like a little heat, toss in some sliced chili. It's totally optional, but it adds a nice kick and a pop of color. The best part? That irresistible wok hei, that smoky aroma you get from tossing everything on high heat. It's the soul of great stir-fry, and it makes this dish truly unforgettable. I finish with a sprinkle of crispy shallots, which add a savory crunch and a little extra depth to every bite. And a squeeze of lime. That hit of citrus brightens up the whole dish, cutting through the richness and making every flavor pop. And there you have it, your own Chinese-style seafood mee goreng. It looks stunning, smells incredible, and tastes even better. It's bold, it's umami-packed, and honestly, it tastes like you're eating out. But you did it right in your own kitchen. Share it with friends or family, or just treat yourself to a restaurant-worthy meal at home. If you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments. I love hearing your kitchen stories and seeing your delicious results. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, delicious dishes you'll want to make again and again. There's a whole world of flavors out there, and I can't wait to share more with you. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep making magic in your kitchen.